This is a iPhone screen replacement set. So this is what it looks like when it comes in. Comes with the instruction manual. So this is the actual screen. It comes with the tools that you need. Little pliers with a little suction cup. Tools right there that you might need. It comes with the little screwdrivers that you might need to open up your phone. And so it comes with like a screen protector as well. And then the actual screen right there. So if your iPhone, falls and breaks, and you can replace it yourself if you know how, this is a good set. This is the second one I buy because the first one worked well, but my kids keep on dropping their phones and they keep on breaking their screens. So this is a nice set. It's not too pricey. It's worth the money, and it's not too expensive, and it's a lot more cheaper than buying a whole new phone. So